I hate to break the news to you, but scientists may have just shown that genetics dictate how smart you are. This new study in the International Cognitive Ability Journal just blew the doors off the old nature versus nurture debate. Researchers mapped thousands of tiny genetic mutations and tracked how well they predicted intelligence, cognitive ability, and education outcomes from childhood through adulthood. And here's the wild part. When they compared these scores between siblings, that means the same parents, the same school, and the same homes. These differences in their DNA predicted clear differences in their learning and overall achievements, meaning those tiny genetic differences weren't just noise, but they truly mattered. But it gets even deeper. The study highlighted that about half of those genetic influences worked through environmental pathways. This means your genetics don't just sit there passively, they actively shape your environment. For example, think about parents who naturally value learning based on their own genetics. They're more likely to fill the house up with books, pick schools that challenge their kids, and create an intellectually stimulating environment. Then there's what happens when a child presents with special talents early on. Teachers or mentors may notice and give them special praise or opportunities. And finally, as we grow, we tend to seek out things that naturally match our strengths, such as our choice of hobbies, friends, or career paths. Your genes and environment aren't separate forces fighting against each other. They're dancing together, amplifying each other over time, even within the same family. So instead of saying it's all genes or all environment, we need to see the big picture here.